Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's the 21st, Saturday, 12:47. Another sunny day, but not nearly as hot as the last couple, 2 or 3 have been. Got up in the mid-90s. Just finished up the generator project. The owners here gave me a couple old flashlights, some big old heavy-duty things. This one's a HID. It's got like a low setting, a couple LEDs on the bottom, a big old monster, which lights everywhere up at night. I tried it already. That's pretty cool. This one's a old incandescent, but it's still got a pretty sharp spot on it. Good for distance. I don't know. They're gonna take it to the Goodwill, and I said I'd take them, so they gave them to me. Came with an AC charger. Has a plug on the back of each of them. They both take the same thing. Checked this with the multimeter and figured out which one was positive. And then I took this wall charger that also came with them and marked the positive. Stripped a couple wires, bent the copper over so it was thicker. Put them in the had a plug just like these have. And shoved them in there, and it's a pretty tight fit, so I just sealed them up with some quad. It's pretty tough, sticks to anything. I should hold those wires in there, and then I could tap into, I think, I'm gonna just tap into the charge controller here, put it down like right there some, and then I can charge my flashlights off solar. So, little side project, kind of fun. And I'll have the AC adapter for when I'm running the generator or something, I don't know. Finally got the passenger side gutter cut and made out of this Z flashing or whatever it's called, Z bracket or Z something. You get it at Home Depot. It's just like a L with a little lip on it. And I trim it down. You can see it's not the cleanest cut because I'm just using tin snips. But that is, I don't care, because the whole purpose is to get the water to stop leaking in that window. So, cut it, painted it, drilled a bunch of holes. Just need to grab the ladder, put some silicone up there, and put it on. And then I will be all set for the rainy season. Still got a leaky marker light, I believe, though. Rear sway bar bushings, finally got those online. 1 3/4 inch. I'll be doing a separate video for that as well, of course. Came as a set of 4 for the back, and then I repurchased the fronts because the last time I got the fronts they were too big. The auto parts store was not much help in picking them out of their inventory. They didn't seem to know what I had, or they thought I had a sway bar setup kind of like that with a linkage or whatnot, and I have 4. They didn't think I had 4 sway bar bushings, but I do. So I found them online. There's actually 2 that are called frame bushings. There's, as far as I can tell, there's 2 specific for the frame. Apparently they are different sizes. So I got 2 in so far. I'm still waiting on 2. And the way things are going, I'll probably end up staying here till August 6th. Get my teeth pulled. It's the 21st. I may end up going into town to Boondock for a few days. I don't know yet. I might be pretty busy with everything, yeah. Realistically, I'll probably be up here until August 6th. A couple days recovery time, and then I'll get back to boondocking. Gonna get the generator video made, get the sway bar bushings, get a couple projects done, maybe do one more update before I hit the road, and then I'll get back to Vancouver. Then in September I got some dentists, so I'm gonna go back to just town boondocking, check out Battleground, maybe go a little farther north. September, yeah, I get the teeth. I got a filling that needs to be done. So lots coming up, a lot of videos, a lot of project videos coming. So stay tuned, and soon enough we'll be boondocking. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.